Today I'm cooking simple steamed fish with light soy sauce. This is a very quick and simple recipe, and it's delicious. This recipe is for 2 to 3 servings. Sprinkle 1/4 teaspoon of salt on the fish. I am using 250 grams of red snapper today. Rub and marinate evenly. Turn the fish to the other side and sprinkle another 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Rub and distribute the salt evenly as well. All done? Leave it aside for now. Place a wok on the stove. Switch on the heat to medium and wait for the pan to heat up. When the pan is slightly warm, add in 75 ml of unscented cooking oil and 50 grams of ginger strips. Stir fry for about 3.5 minutes or until brown and crispy. After 3 minutes, the ginger strips are brown and crispy. They look great. Remove from the oil and place them on a strainer to drip off the excess oil. Let them rest in the heat-resistant bowl. There is some ginger oil in the wok. Continue to fry 45 grams of minced garlic until fragrant and crispy. After 1.5 minutes, the garlic is beautifully crispy and golden brown. Switch off the heat. Remove them from the oil and place on the heat-resistant plate. Remove some cooking oil from the wok and put aside. Switch on the heat. Add 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1/4 teaspoon of sesame oil, 50 ml of water, 1/4 tablespoon of cut red chili. Stir until well combined. Continue cooking for 1.5 minutes or until the sauce is boiling vigorously. Alright, it's ready. Switch off the heat and transfer the sauce to a small bowl and leave it aside. Next, put a steamer on the stove. Add 1.5 liters of water. Cover the wok and allow it to boil. After 4 minutes, the water is boiling. Put in the steamer stand and place the fish on it. Cover the pan and let it steam for 4 minutes. Alright, after 4 minutes, remove the fish from the steamer with the steam clamp. Discard the fishy water into another container. Do not pour the water back into the steamer. Place the plate back onto the steamer. Pour the soy sauce mix over the fish. Fried ginger strips. Fried garlic. And 1/4 tablespoon of cut red chili. Cover the pan and continue to steam for another 3 more minutes. After 3 minutes, the fish is completely cooked and well soaked with the sauce. Switch off the heat and remove from the steamer. Garnish with 1/2 tablespoon of cut red chili, 1 tablespoon of cut spring onion, fried garlic, and fried ginger strips. Now our steamed fish with light soy sauce is ready to be served with rice. Let's eat! Wow, delicious! The fish is tender and really fresh, going so well with the light and flavorful soy sauce. The fried ginger and garlic enhance the fragrance. This is really simple and light meal for the family. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!